Are you ready to experience a bold new chapter in automotive design? The 2025 Mazda CX-90 Sport Premium is here, and it's redefining what it means to drive in style and luxury. Stick around as we dive into all the exciting features of Mazda's latest masterpiece. Mazda has just introduced the all-new Sport Premium trim for the 2025 CX-90, and it's packed with features designed to turn heads. The bold black exterior accents and stunning 21-inch wheels make an unforgettable statement on the road. While it keeps the signature sleek profile, oval headlights, and circular grille of its predecessor, the CX-90 now boasts sportier design elements, adding a more aggressive and dynamic edge. The rear view doesn't disappoint either, featuring slim taillights and a smooth bumper that enhances its premium and polished look. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that screams luxury and modernity. The tiered dashboard and integrated center display create a clean, high-tech vibe. Add in sporty gauges and the option for second-row captain's chairs, and you've got an interior that's as comfortable as it is stylish. Whether you opt for the gas-powered version with its high-quality materials or the plug-in hybrid model featuring custom gauges, the CX-90 delivers a driving experience that's refined, functional, and undeniably premium. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Mazda CX-90 gives you two powerful engine choices. The gas-powered option features a 3.3-liter turbocharged six-cylinder engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, offering 280 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. Want even more power? Higher trims boost that to an impressive 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. If you're leaning towards eco-friendliness, the plug-in hybrid pairs a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, giving you the perfect balance of power and efficiency. So, what do you think of the 2025 Mazda CX-90 Sport Premium? Is it the ultimate combination of style, performance, and luxury? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Car Release TV for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest car releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you'd like to make any further adjustments.